Okay, this is Carson. He's approximately 38 inches tall. The hands are carved out of wood. The head is totally carved out of wood. The eyes are painted wood dowels for it. He can wear size 4T and 5T in clothes. So it's got a ring lever on the back, so you can use either hand for him. Mouth works good.
Hi, how you doing?
And like I say, he is completely finished. The hands, the body is made out of wood framed with cloth, rubber band that holds the head on, so we can take the head off when you're packing him away. And you can see we have this is just a ring lever, so it works good with either hand, and you can use your thumb or your forefinger with either hand. The wig is attached with staples, so if you ever have to get inside, you just take the staples out, and there's 2 screws that hold the side of the head on. You can take the side of the head open and get into the back if you ever have to fix a spring or the string breaks or something like that. This is a good nylon string, so that shouldn't happen. So anyway, he is finished. If you're interested in him, you can check him out on my Facebook page. Thanks for watching.